Hello and welcome to this lecture. Before jumping into the main course, I want to run through how to best make this course work for you, how you can gain the maximum benefit from doing it. This course has been created to inspire, encourage, and most importantly, provide you with all the essential techniques to influence people with unconscious rapport. It will give you the skills to move from a place of potential to optimal performance in your personal and professional life. You'll find that when you do these techniques, your confidence with people will increase significantly. You'll know beforehand that strangers will like you, that you're better able to connect with colleagues at work, and you'll have a deeper and more understanding relationships with those you love. These are just the start of the benefits you'll get by following this course. But in order for you to get all that, you must do the actions included at the end of every lesson. This is extremely important. This will not work if you're passive. You need to be active. Only with this attitude will you fast track from watching and learning to knowing and doing. Some of the action steps include sharing your experience with us in the discussion parts of this course. Please do it. Please share and connect with others. You will get a lot of benefit from interacting with me and the other students of this course. You'll get support when you struggle. You'll get satisfaction when you share your successes with others, and you'll be helping inspire them as well. With that being said, I'm going to move on to the next lesson, how to set powerful learning goals. Having clear objectives and having a clear picture of what you want from this course will help you achieve what you want so much faster. So please do the next lesson, and then we're going to start on the main body of this course. Thank you very much.